Well, hello friends, Suzanne here. Welcome to another Fabricate Friday video. I have a little box here, as you can see, fully decorated. Front, back, sides, we have a mat. This could be fold flat for your lovely dinner parties. I'm not exactly sure what you could put in here, but I bet you there's chocolates and goodies that you could think of. But yeah, I ended up using the Peaceful Garden Designer Series paper, this lovely plaid, and Peaceful Garden Glimmer paper. I used the Snowy Delights Snowflake and Sentiment, the Faceted Snowflake Gems, and this circle is cut from the Stylish Dies. So if you want to see me put this together very quickly, or you want to learn how to make it yourself, come along with me, we'll make it together. I have a piece of cardstock here that is 8.5 inches tall, 6 inches wide. I'm going to use my paper trimmer, and for the long side, going to pull out that arm here. We're going to score at 1 inch, 4 inches, 5 inches, and 8 inches. I flip it round. We're going to score at 1/2 inch, 1.5, 4.5, and 5.5. Going to fold and burnish all my score lines. All right, let's start cutting up the score lines. So I'm going to take this little rectangle straight off. Then I'm going to cut down, and we're going to wedge this piece out. The next piece I'm going to wedge is this, and this piece we're going to cut straight down here. Straight down here. I'm going to cut this piece, this rectangle right off. And then we're going to wedge and wedge. So this whole section here, these 4, I am going to cut straight off. I'm going to wedge this piece out here and this piece out here, and we're going to remove these 4 a little square and a rectangle. I'm going to wedge this piece out and this piece out. We're going to cut straight up, straight up. I'm going to remove that 1/2 inch piece at the first score line, and we're going to wedge this out. And now I'm going to cut up this piece. We're going to cut that 1/2 inch score line off. We're going to wedge here and here, but then we're going to cut this whole section off. So basically we're mirroring the opposite. All right, so I'm going to, on the small, there is a 1/2 inch side and a 1 inch side. On that 1/2 inch side, I'm going to put our adhesive right close to the score line. going to fold that down and fold this, and hopefully we match. All right, so we're going to close our little box, and then we get to decorate it. All right, so I have some pieces of paper here. My camera doesn't really like to focus on white, but I have all of the measurements and everything on my blog. There's a direct link to my blog post in the description of this video, but suffice it to say that I am using a little bit of, this is Peaceful Garden. It's a plaid. I forgot to mention that I was making, or this was cloud cover, and that's the predominant color here. So you're going to need 4 pieces of 2 3/4 inches by 7/8 of an inch, but the white is 1 inch wide and 2 7 inches long. So hopefully, I know I go fast with the measurements and there's lots. So again, you need 4 pieces, 7/8 by 2 3/4, and then the mat needs to be, I think I cut this one incorrectly. I can tell right now. The mat needs to be 1 inch by 2 7/8. So let's just trim those down. 1 inch. Well, that one worked out. I think this one's a little off. So one thing that I really like about this trimmer is that you're not going to have a problem cutting really thin strips. All right, so you need 2 pieces for the front and the bottom, and this is 2 3/4 by 2 3/4 for the designer series paper, and the mat is 2 7/8 by 2 7/8. So my general rule is a little tip here. I have 3 sides here. I'm going to measure the equality of my little mat on all 3 sides. And usually, if I've cut the papers correctly, that 4th side is perfect. All right, so I'm just going to put adhesive on this, and I'll be right back. All right, I'm going to adhere my front and back pieces. So this is basically covering the whole box. So you'll have to choose your best side. I have a Stylish Shapes die here. It is a circle die. And this was 3rd from the middle. And I cut that from the Peaceful Garden glimmer paper. And this is from the Snowy Delights bundle. So you get this beautiful snowflake. And I wanted to place my snowflake on something like that. So I am going to use liquid glue. So I'm going to try to position this directly in the center. All right, so I have some dimensionals here. I'm just going to put 3 on. Oh, did I get it stuck? Almost. Oh, that's not in the center at all. Can I lift up and move it? Maybe. That's better. I'm going to place that kind of in the top corner there. I have a faceted snowflake, and that big like cutout there is perfect. For that. All right, I have Misty Moonlight here, and I'm going to use the sentiment from the Snowy Delights stamp set, A Winter Wish for Snowy Delights. So I'm going to ink my stamp up, and let's see if I can do this without getting my head in the way. Perfect. How did I do? All right, I'm going to make this a little, let's see, I'm going to cut a little bit off, and then I'm going to cut in the middle, and then from the corner to the middle and the corner to the middle. And then I think I'm going to tuck that right up in there. Let's see how that, there we go. So it will go, I'll need to cut off a little bit here. Curve that out a little bit so it flips up and doesn't interfere. Put some adhesive along. That's cute. So the nice thing about this little box is that it's fully decorated, bottom, top. You don't have to, but yeah, there it is. So thank you so much for watching and creating with me. Leave me some lovely comments, and I'll see you again soon. Bye for now.